Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today I'm making up a recipe and I'm going to probably make up more as I go along. But I was thinking about an idea for oven fried chicken that baked in the oven instead of fried. But then it just kind of evolved from there. So today I'm not even sure what I'm going to call this. But I am going to treat this like I'm making fried chicken, but instead I'm going to bake it in the oven, and the coating is going to be Parmesan cheese. So come on, let's see what I make up and do. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do when I make fried chicken, I like to soak it in buttermilk for a while. So I've got 4 chicken breasts here, and I've rinsed them, and I'm just going to put them in a bowl. And this is Bulgarian cultured buttermilk. It's just, I think, made with a different process. So I'm just going to pour some of that on top. And then I'm going to put the remaining chicken breasts in there. Alright, now I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for a while, but I think I'm going to add spices to this and mix it up. So let me wash my hands. Alright, I'm going to add just a little bit of red pepper flakes. I'm going to put a nice teaspoonful of dehydrated garlic. And, that was probably a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. We might as well let it start getting flavor while it's marinating in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to stir this up and make sure that gets mixed in. It gets all around the chicken. And just make sure it's all in contact. Now I'm going to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator. 1 to 2 hours. I want to give it time for that really to meld together. So I'll bring you back when I do that. And I'm going to be making another video today too. Not sure which will come out first. We'll have to see. But I'm also going to be making a tomato pie. So we're going to have this yummy oven baked Parmesan chicken. Oven fried maybe. Parmesan. And we're going to have tomato pie. So let me bring you back when I've got this ready to prepare for the oven. Alright, the chicken breasts have been sitting in this buttermilk and garlic and pepper mixture for a couple hours now. So they should be nice and ready to go. So I'm just going to pull those out. Let it drain just a bit. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it. Alright, it's still got some of that garlic and pepper clinging to it, which is perfect. So I have put Parmesan cheese with just a little bit of dried onion in it. Not a lot. And I'm going to season these very lightly with garlic salt and fresh ground black pepper. And now I'm just going to start coating them with the Parmesan cheese mixture. And you don't have to go crazy with it, because these are going to take a little while to cook, so you just want to get some on there. And do top and bottom, because why not? Alright, I have a cast iron skillet that I've got just slightly heated because I don't want this going in there cold. And I'm using the leftover bacon fat from frying the bacon from my tomato pie. I figured, perfect. And I guess it's not quite keto. I'm no expert on that by any means. I know a little bit. That's enough for me. But I guess the buttermilk really isn't keto because of the butter fat amount. But you could always use maybe yogurt or something that is keto if that's what you want to do. I'm going after flavor, so I'm not worried about the keto part. But if you are, this could probably totally be that. So let me put this one in the skillet, and then I'm going to get the other three done, and we're going to put these in the oven. There it is. I think these are going to be amazing, especially got bacon fat. I'm going to take a little bit of leftover cheese, just make sure everything's completely covered. Now I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it at 375 until they're done in the center. I have no idea how long because this is a new recipe. Alright, here it is, my oven fried Parmesan chicken. And it looks and smells wonderful. Can't wait to try it. And I'm just going to cut it open so you can see, because I'm going to sit down with my family and have this meal. But it's nice and crispy on the outside. And nice and moist on the inside. So thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share. Hit the little notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.